Off-road guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the emblems. As you saw from one of my previous videos, I got my wife a 2018 Dodge Power Wagon, and I was looking at the emblems and I noticed that I liked them a lot better. They're blacked out. As you can see, I've replaced the 3500 on my truck already, and I'll go show you the ones on my wife's truck. And here's the ones on her truck. See them here? The chrome, and then also well, it didn't look this bad when it was on the truck, but it was starting, the letters were starting to take and wash away, and the red here was washing away. It wasn't, like I said, it wasn't near as this bad. This is a lot worse than it was on the truck, but it was looking a little aged and like they need to be replaced no matter what. So I decided to get emblems off a 2018 that are blacked out. And like for the 3500, I chopped off the heavy duty. I just don't see the point of that. And then for the Cummins one, I actually took and chopped off the turbo diesel, because I really don't. Most diesels are turbo diesel. You can see here I've already taken and removed one of the Cummins. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the ones on it now. So first thing you're going to need is one of these plastic scrapers. So take one of these plastic scrapers and start working around the emblem. So just work around the emblem. Then work it off. And a small one like this, they do come off that easy. It took me about, I know in the video it's going to be a little shorter, but it literally took me like a minute or two to remove that. Next is to try to remove all the double-sided tape, that, if you can. If it doesn't come off, the next step will get it off real easy. So the next step, what I recommend is one of these eraser wheels and a drill. And now it has threads on there for like an arbor. Well, this one didn't come with anything, so I just take and put the threaded piece into the chuck, and just try not to get it too hot. You saw a little bit of smoke, and you can feel that it's a little warm. And and it's mostly off. Okay, the next step I would recommend is getting either a rubbing compound or an abrasive type wax. See, if you notice, there's a little bit of material left from the eraser pad, and also from, buildup of stuff around the emblem. So, and then I just take and basically wax and rub it, get it nice and cleaned up in the area. And a rubbing compound will take and buff the area up and make it, basically remove the excess stuff, build up. So what I do to measure is I took and measured and then put tape marks. So basically what I'm going to do is take it once I peel this plastic off, take and line it up to the top edge of the tape line and the back edge. And I took and measured this from, well, one, I took measurements off the ram here. Took measurements off the ram right here, because I put this straight. This is straight to this bottom. I took and measured off this line, because if you look at this line, it goes straight across the whole bottom of the body line. Took and measured off that line for the ram 3500, and then measured off there, kind of there, and also measured off the bottom line down here. So, and then I took and put about 1.5 inches right here off the fender. So I just got to place it. And basically the last step I'd recommend doing too is, before you place the emblem on there, wipe it down with a grease and wax remover, the area where you're going to actually stick the emblem on, to remove anything that might stop that double-sided tape from sticking permanently. And there you go. This side is put on exactly as I wanted, and I just have to finish up the other side. So whether you want to stop at just removing your emblems, it might be helpful to know that, or if you want to replace them, or even they have those custom emblems you can have made for your truck, the aluminum ones. There's certain companies that do that, make custom emblems. But I just went on Mopar.com and went for a 2018 Ram 3500, which there's a couple different choices if you want the chrome or the blacked out ones like I got. And I ordered them up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and follow me, and make any comments for YouTube and Facebook. Thanks. Bye.